banana red.
Okay, you tell them the story.
And then the ant eating the syrup.
Okay, the syrup.
First, it's a one ant.
One ant. And then?
Mom niya, two ant na yun.
And then what is the flavor of the syrup?
Strawberry and watermelon. It's red. Look.
It's red.
And another one. And next is another.
There's another.
Oh, the red. They look like the strawberry.
And
Oh, what is coming next? Another one.
yeah.
Another.
What is the name of the ant? Tell the story.
Look.
Oh, what are they doing?
Eating.
Eating or drinking?
Drinking.
Drinking ant? Drinking the syrup?
Yeah. Look, it's red. Oh, this looks like dynamite.
Gonna burst. Because the belly is so big?
Yeah, so big to buy.
That's
It's
so
like a balloon.
like a balloon.